Lame.
That's no magic. It's not my fault if nobody's ever loved any of you. Without the spells of love, the world would fall apart. You don't need a woman with magic in your heart. All your other friends like the my friends, the whole thing will never be. With love you can sing of the joy that it can bring. With love you can fly on a rainbow in the sky. With love you can dance without any. That's right. I, Albus Dumbledore, am naked. This might come as a shock to some of you, and others might have known all along. Either way, it's who I am. I've been naked for as long as I can remember. Some might even say that I was born naked. In any case, I just hope this doesn't change anything. I'm still the same old headmaster you've always known. The only difference is, I'm butt naked, and I have been the whole time. The whole naked time.
Well, that was horrifying. I'm going to go cry. I'll leave you two alone, together.
Are you done snogging yet? We most certainly were not snogging. Yeah? Yeah, we were just making out. We were unsteady. What do you think of that, Harry?
That's great, I guess, in a nauseating way. I am Lord Voldemort!
Oh no, what's he doing here?
He's gonna murder us like he murdered my parents and my happiness. You take everything so personally, but yeah, that's accurate.
Oh, that's just great. Oh, fiddlesticks!
Unicorn turds. You kids know about the killing curse, right?
No, my parents died of old age. Of course I know!
And all you children out there know about it, right? Nasty stuff, I must say. So, what I want you to do is, whenever I say, Avada Kedavra, say, hey, Mom... No, not that. Say, just scream like you're dying, okay? Alright, hit it, Pete! Call me the Dark Lord, roll me more. I'm the sucker of the Lord of the many swords. As long as I get to set my foes away. And boy, I love this magic spell. I can send my enemies straight to hell. Such a whack, never do it every day. Okay, Hey, what do you know? It actually worked. How'd you do that?
Are you killing my students?
No, you did this.
What? Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm afraid I'm going to have to go do some soul searching. I don't usually kill people. Bye. Whoops, there's not a stereo.
Phenomena. The beauty of the softly simmering cauldron with its shimmering fumes, the delicate power of liquids that creep through human veins, bewitching phenomena. Phenomena.